Hi, welcome to Chem Coach, June 2015 Regents. Pause the video and answer the questions. Here are the answers for the questions. If you've gotten them right, good for you. Go to the next video with the next group of questions. And if you got them wrong, or you just got them right and when you want to hear what I have to say, then just listen. Question 1 is asking you about which particle has the charge that is equal in magnitude but opposite in sign of an electron. Well, guess what? Protons and electrons have the same magnitude of charge, just that protons are positively charged and electrons are negatively charged. That's a fact. And that fact, you have to make sure you know. My suggestion is to write it on a separate sheet of paper that you can study from. Number 2, mass of a proton is equal to 1 atomic mass unit. Again, that's a fact. Not only the mass of a proton, but the mass of a neutron as well. The mass of a neutron is 1 AMU. A mass of an electron is way small. That's about 1/2000th an AMU. For number 3, which property decreases when the elements in group 17 are considered in order of increasing atomic number? Here, go to the reference tables. Make sure, even if you think you know the answer, why not look it up? So we're looking at atomic mass, atomic radius, melting point, and electronegativity. First thing is, let's find group 17. And here it is on the periodic table. And all you need to do is take a look at the first 3 or 4 elements to see what's happening. As far as atomic atomic mass it's increasing as you go down the group. Next one, atomic radius. Well, the size of the atoms isn't here. You have to go to reference table S. Reference table S looks like this. Again, pull out the table. Look for fluorine. Let's say look for chlorine. And how about bromine? Go to atomic radius, 64, 100, and 117. Again, it's increasing as you're going down the group. The next one is melting point. Here it is. So 53, 172, 266. Again, it's increasing as you go down. The question asked about decreasing. So the answer must be electronegativity, but let's double check. Fluorine is 4, chlorine is 3.2, and bromine is 3.0. There's my answer. So if I go back, that's why the answer is choice 4. Now, you look at group 17, the most electronegative element on the periodic table is fluorine. If you know that, then anything below fluorine must be decreasing. If you're not sure, use the tables. Use the reference tables and use reference table S. For number 4. Number 4, that is the definition of a compound. It's something that you need to know, so make sure you know it. That's just a plain old definition. For number 5, this again is a definition. This is the definition of electronegativity, and in fact you needed that to understand, or at least pretty much answer question 3. And then finally for question 6, metallic bonding. Metallic bonding are between metals, meaning atoms of metals. The only choice here, that is the name of a metal, is number 4, which is silver. Okay? If you don't know the symbols for the different words here, again, go to the periodic table. All of the names for all the elements are on reference table S. There's also polyatomic ion names on the reference tables as well. If we just take a look quickly at the periodic table, you'll notice for the periodic table that you guys get to use, and if you don't have this periodic table, if you're taking a different course than Regents Chem, you have some sort of periodic table. There is a staircase, I call it, that separates my metals and my nonmetals. And then there's a group of elements that are called the semi-metals that are either on the staircase, like boron, silicon, arsenic, and tellurium, germanium, and antimony below, that are known as the semi-metals or metalloids. Know where they are on the periodic table. This is the conclusion of questions 1 through 6. If you think the video helped, please like the video below, and don't forget www.newyorkchemcoach.com. Thank you.